This is a piano tutorial on California Dreamin', this time as a piano accompanist. And so it's much easier. We'll do the chord in the right hand and the root note of the chord, the note the chord is named for down low, as a bass note. And so the first chord is A minor. All the leaves are brown. So you're going to have that A minor. Brown. This is A minor, C, E, A. And then G, B, D, and G like that. F, A, C, F. Back to the G chord, B, D, G. And then B minor, which is B, D, F sharp. And that goes to this E7 chord, which is B, D, E, and G sharp. And that's pretty much the chords. Then you've got an F chord, C, E, F. I've been for a walk, C, grip position there. E7, B, D, E, G sharp. A minor again. A, C, E. On a winter's, there's an F, C, F, A. Winter's day. There's an E chord, B, E, G sharp. D minor, A, D, F. And there's E7, B, D, E, G sharp. I'd be safe and warm. There's an A minor, C, E, A, A minor, G, B, D, G, F, A, C, F, back to G, B minor again, B, D, F sharp, E7, B, D, E, G sharp. California Dreamin', A minor, A, C, E, A, G, F, on such a winter's day, B minor, E7, and that repeats itself, A minor, G, F, G, B minor, E7. F, C, E7, A minor, F, E, D minor, E. And it does that same phrase again. So very repetitious here. Work on your chords in the right hand, then all you have to add is you have to add the root note down low. So when I'm playing this A minor chord here, A down low, G, F, G, and B minor. There's a B, and then this E. So that's pretty much it. So work on the hands separately. This is what it sounds like when you're all through. All the leaves are brown, and the sky is gray. I've been for a walk on a winter's day. I'd be safe and warm if I was in LA. California dreaming on such a winter's day. Stopped into a church, passed along the way, got down on my knees, and I pretend to pray. You know the preacher likes it cold, he knows I'm gonna stay. California dreaming on such a winter's day. Repeats itself, so have fun with that one.